0.30. So that's 7 ticks, okay? And then if we, kind of give it a couple of ticks extra to breathe, so that's what our level was going to look like here. I'm just change the color on that. Okay, so there's our level with that drop base rally. Okay, so if we put in our simulator now, okay, we put that right at the front line. Okay, if the back line is at 58.23, I would probably put the stop at 58.20 or 58.19. Let's just say we put it at 20. Okay, so there's our stop out point. So you can see now right here, and then if we pull this, let's get this one out of the way so it doesn't annoy us. So right here we can see this is what a 2-to-1 trade would look like right there. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, let me just get this out of the way because this actually applies to the other trade. In fact, I'm going to explain this in a second here. In fact, we'll just use that for this one in a second. So if we want to look and see, okay, well, what do we have sort of permission to go for in terms of the juice and the level? This is where we use that Fibonacci extension tool. Okay, so what we do is we put that at the back of our zone right there, and then we pull it to the extent of the initial surge, which is right there. Okay, and then we pull